It's Dan in Japan once again, and today we're doing something that I didn't think I was gonna do, and it's renting a car out here. I'm gonna show you guys what car I rent once I get there, but I just rented it today, so we're waiting for Uber because it shows you can't be late, and it looks like I'm already gonna be late because it's pretty far away. But I just did it last minute, so once I get there, I'll show you guys. All right, guys. So this is what I rented. I rented a Supra. I had to. It is automatic because I don't know how to drive manual. I know how to drive it, but not that good. Turn this on. My goodness. We're in a Supra, guys. This is so cool. What the? Okay, so wipers here, blinkers are still here. I don't even remember where the blinkers are back at home now. Okay, so we gotta figure out where we're going. Alright guys, I'm nervous as heck because I don't know the street signs. So over here, we get the it's green for us.
Right here.
Okay, that was a mistake. Are you nervous?
Yes. It's because it's confusing because it's opposite of like how we drive.
So we're going to this location that Mario is telling me to go to. So we're gonna see how this is. But we're driving a Supra, which is super crazy just to think about it. We're following the map. We're 21 minutes away. And I only rented this for the day. I just wanted to get the experience of driving over here.
I feel like you're driving in both lanes.
It's just so insane to be driving this right now and then being on this side of the road, like everything here. So cool. When I driven a car like this, it was a Pajero Mini for my brother in the valley, but it was in California, and I'm driving that over there because he wanted to buy it. So I've driven it before, but not a Supra. It is auto, but it's a Supra. It's a Supra. I'm going here. Don't know where that's at. How do you feel sitting on that side?
Worried.
I'm also worried too. But if I don't do it, I'm not gonna do it another time. And it wasn't an expensive experience, to be honest. So follow this car is what I have to do. Seems like I did well. Oh, now we're getting Tokyo traffic. Would you look at that? We're gonna get some matcha and ginza. Literally anybody that has the ability to come to Tokyo, Japan, you guys need to come. So sick. Oh look, Nismo. We're 4 minutes away. Still have to love the BMWs, but all the Euro cars, but I need a JDM. I don't know where we're at, but we're driving. Are you still scared?
A little bit. No, like right now I feel fine.
But I'm super hungry though, that's for sure. Or look at the ocean. Look where we're coming into a parking lot. And then there's a skyline here, R34. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna know how to park? Probably not. It has a backup camera. Oh, I can't see shit. my god, this is like,
How was the driving?
that was a little sketch because look, we got lost through all those ups and downs, and it's a little sketch. It's a little sketch, but I'm not nervous like that. It's just something crazy to, I don't know, I guess see, believe, I don't know. It's just super cool, super great experience all around. Read this right here. Yeah, that's what we like to see. How do I get out? Let's get out. I want to take pictures. Look at the way I parked, guys. Terrible parking skills. Well, it looks good on this side, but it looks bad on that side. I'm not sure what year this is, but this is what we rented it, which is super cool. What year it is on the car. Maybe it'll say in here. I don't know. I didn't get automatic. I don't know how to drive. I know how to drive it, but not like so good. And this is where you rent the car from. This is so cool. It's like a super great experience. Also, Mario told me to come here because I do know they host meets here. I've seen them on Instagram before, but this is what it looks like here. And then the R34 left. This is like a 30-minute drive here, which is because it got lost. But look at that semi. Super cool semi. Look at that semi. There's that car there that I've never seen in the States. I think you could go get food here. They're shopping here. They got this here, and then they got I think it's the FRS. What, the Toyota one? Oh, Initial D. You can see it on the dashboard there. That one's cool too. Honestly, this is a super cool experience just to even be doing this. I don't know how many times I have to say that, but it's just, I don't know, it's surreal. I like it. I really, really like it. Look what's pulling up here on R33. Oh my god. How's this feeling?
Cold.
Tomorrow you get Disneyland, today I get this.
Disneyland, but no Hello Kitty Land.
We could have went to Hello Kitty Land, but we didn't know it was that far away because I also wanted to go to Honda and all the other museums, and they're all super far away. We need more days here. I thought 10 days was going to be enough, but it's nowhere near enough. More days? Or you want to go back home?
I want to go back home and then come back.
I want to stay, but you get bad fines if you stay.
I miss Benji.
Okay. Baskin Robbins vending machine. Wow, matcha ice cream. Are you buying something?
63 yen.
Look at this. 2 pieces of cake.
Because I don't like macarons, but they're Hello Kitty, so they're $3. I'll get them.
Did you see the Baskin Robbins machine? Vending machines galore here. Which ones did you push? Yeah.
What is that?
Test reaction on them?
Yeah, once I open them.
Alright guys, I made a friend back where we were at right now. He has a R33. Super cool guy. He subscribed to the channel and we're following on Instagram. I'm gonna keep in contact because there's something we're talking about that makes sense. But yeah. So this car is an NA. It's not a turbo one. It's not that. Kind of figured because it does feel sluggish, but all that. I'm still driving a Supra, which is super cool. Maybe next year I'll learn some manual. It's kind of have a manual car, but so how would I learn it? And we'll come and rent an R34 over here again. We'll be super sick. But look at the highway, look at the views. It's just so cool to be driving here. It's a great experience. It's a new experience to be driving out here.
You have to go on the other side.
Pause. Driving here is a little complicated. I should have let him go because I like that minivan. But I think we're going straight still. We are, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna go up that way. Kind of getting the hang of it here, driving on this side. But it also feels like I'm too much here, but she says I'm too close over there. But it might be because the Supra itself is a white car. So who knows where I'm actually at. Totes. It's coming in hot. You gotta keep it 60. This is 60. If I'm not mistaken, this is it's a Pajero, I believe, but evil one, like Evolution it says on the back. Super rare, super sick. I like it very much. Also, she's scaring me a lot. You gonna hit this, you gonna hit that.
No, it's true. It's true.
Nothing is true.
No, it's because he's not used to it, so he's driving more on this side.
Let's see, what's in here? We just need another Supra too right now. I'm sick, I was supposed to go to the right. This is sick. I had the wrong time the whole time, so I thought I was supposed to return the car already. But it looks like I have like 2 more hours with the car. And I was already in the area to give it back. But yeah, we're still driving. It all seems normal now. Okay. Yeah, it all seems normal now. I don't know how to connect music into here. Or nor should I connect music. But this is super cool. If you guys ever rent these cars out here, you guys should know what you're gonna do because we wasted a lot of time just driving around, which is not a waste of time because it's my first time doing it, but we didn't have a place to go except for that place I went to earlier. But right now we're just like literally driving around, and now the gas has not gone down in this car, but I have to go put gas. I gotta find a gas station. I gotta find out how to put gas, and yeah, and see how much it is from the States to here. And also, you see those semi trucks and those gates that they have under? It's so cars don't go under them. So they put those here, so yeah, so no cars go under them. Because I guess some people actually do go under them. It could also be for crashes, but somebody had told me that that's what they're for. But maybe for crashes too, which it makes sense. See, but the gas has now moved, and I've driven a lot. And it hasn't moved one bit. Maybe this is broken, but I don't think so. So we're gonna go put gas right now. Once I get back to where we're gonna return it to, we're gonna get gas, and yeah, I'll show you guys how much it is and all that. So she has gave me a rating of an 8 out of 10 for driving. I consider that bad. I had a 10 out of 10, but then when we do Passenger Princess, I give her a 4. Oh my god, brake, stop. Oh,
No, okay, well, there was a car parked, and he was literally like a centimeter away from hitting it.
Car, guys.
He was like going, no, you were going like right into it.
I was not going right into it.
Yes, he was.
Bad, bad, bad. 4.
So that knocked off a point. And then the other point was
She doesn't even know what to
when
say.
he was giving a left turn and he was going into the opposite lane.
Ooh. Look, we were in that train yesterday. 4, 10. 4, 10. She's super scared. This, that, this, that. There's a lot of traffic. I gotta go to the gas station still to put some gas. But I'm really gonna miss this. Truly gonna miss it. We're gonna put gas. There's this. English. Confirm. We're gonna be using this car, right?
Yeah.
This car? Oh God, where do we insert?
Right there.
Okay. Premium, right?
Yeah.
Full? No.
Oh, that's like you already finished?
No.
Oh.
That's like from 0 to how much you want to put.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna cancel and start this all over again. My phone's gonna fall. Okay, touch. English. Confirm. We're gonna put it in again. No. No. Next. See? It had canceled because I don't know what this is. Now the car is we have to use your card. Okay, so we push full. I'm gonna open this. Yeah. I don't know how much that was. 1 liter. Ah, that's where the receipt comes up. How much is 429 yen? $2.70. That's what it costs.
For 2.8 liters.
All right.